In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Clickup with Zoom. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate these two powerful tools, enhancing your productivity and streamlining your workflow. Let's dive in and make this process as straightforward as possible. First things first, let's get started by heading over to the Clickup website. Once there, you'll want to look at the top right corner of the home page where you'll find the Login button. Give that a click and it will take you to the authentication page. Now, instead of typing in your email and password, a much quicker alternative is available. Simply click on Continue with Google and select the Google account you wish to use. This seamless Google integration not only saves time, but also keeps all your accounts conveniently interconnected. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand panel. You'll see a menu there. From this panel, look for the More option. This option holds the key to unlocking several features within Clickup. Go ahead and click More to reveal further options. Within this menu, find and click on Integrations. This area is your gateway to connecting Clickup with other applications, fostering a synergistic workflow. Now, look for the integration option labeled Zoom. With video conferencing being such an integral part of modern collaboration, pairing Zoom with Clickup will ensure you can schedule and manage meetings without a hitch. Click on Zoom and you'll be guided through the steps to connect your accounts. You'll now see a button labeled Connect. Click on this button to initiate the integration process. This action sets the stage for linking your Zoom account with Clickup, enabling smoother transitions between task management and meetings. However, there's one more essential step to follow. After clicking Connect, you'll be prompted to either connect your existing Zoom account or, if you prefer, sign in using Google. If you haven't connected your accounts yet, simply follow the prompts to log in with your Zoom account credentials or select the Google sign-in option for a quicker path. And that's it. Once you've connected, your Clickup and Zoom accounts are now in sync, paving the way for a more efficient workflow. This integration allows for direct access to Zoom meetings within your task management interface, reducing the need for constant app switching and keeping all your team collaborations centralized. By following these steps, you're fully equipped to leverage the power of both Clickup and Zoom, taking your productivity to the next level. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more content that helps you maximize your digital tools. Happy working!